Hi guys, welcome to Fathers of Expression. As you already know, we are one and only creative and anointed designer. Okay guys, so today we'll be having a discussion and I'll be giving you a few points on the things to do when it has to designing a book cover. So guys, there are a few things you need to put into consideration. I know you are good, I know you are creative, but whenever you have a gig or you have a job working on a book cover, you don't just jump into design like that. You need to do what you need to relax. You need to relax and try. Because there are a few things you need to put into consideration if at the end of the day you want to have a good and a top-notch design for the book cover. So guys, today I have 6 points. I'm having 6 points that I would love to share with you on designing a book cover. But in this episode, in this session, I'll be giving you just two, while I'll be dropping the rest later. So, guys, the first thing you need to put into consideration when designing a book cover is that you have to understand the book. Let's say that again. You have to understand the book. Yes, yes, you have to understand the book. You have to go through the book, read the book, get the PDF or whatever any digital copy of the book, and then go through it, read the book. When you understand the books, it helps your creativity. It really helps your creativity if you understand the book, read the book, know what the book is all about, know the message the book is trying to pass, know the content of the book. Once you do this, it helps your creativity. It makes the work easier for you. It makes you understand the best way and the best type of book cover to actually do once you understand the book. So guys, don't just rush to designing a book. Take your time first, understand the book, go through the book. Even don't forget, in the midst of going through the book, you will learn one or two things actually for yourself. You will also learn one or two things for yourself, even though that's not the aim, that's not the goal. But at the end of the day, you will end up getting knowledge, adding to your knowledge. So guys, take your time, understand the book, don't rush yourself, don't just jump into designs, book cover designs like that. Read the book, know the content of the book, know what the message of the book is. Now the second thing, which is also paramount, in fact very paramount, it's very essential, you also need to understand the target audience. After going through the book, you need to understand the target audience. So who are these books meant for? Who are this book meant for? That's the question you should ask. So you have to know the target audience. Is the book targeting the youth? Is the book targeting the adult? Is it for children? Is the book targeting women only? Is the book targeting men only? Or is it for both genders? So you have to understand this. Once you understand your target audience, it will also enhance the level of your creativity. It will help you when designing, and you will know the kind of design to actually do. You will know how to pitch the book cover. You know how to pitch the book cover. Actually, design is communication. You are designing the book cover to communicate. Don't forget, there's an adage that says, don't judge a book by its cover. When it comes to designing, please, you have to judge the book by the cover. At least let the cover be attractive first before people can check. When the cover is attractive, that is when they can pick it up and try to know what the content is. So please don't just jump into design. Make sure that your book cover design is communicating something. Have an effective and a proper communication. And to do this, you have to know your target audience. You have to know the design that attracts the youth. You know the kind of design that attracts women. You know the kind of fonts. You know the kind of typeface to use in the design. So please, I can't actually overemphasize on this. This is very essential. It's very essential when designing a book cover. Understand the people. Understand the target audience. Understand the target audience. Ask questions. Ask the author. Ask the person, which this book meant for? Who are the people that this book is actually meant for? In fact, by going through the book, you will also understand the target audience. Once you start reading the book, you actually know, okay, this is the set of people that this book is actually meant for. So the first thing you need to do, guys, don't forget, is that understand the book itself, know the content, go through the content. The second thing is understand the target audience, know the people we are trying to target with this book. Then before you say you want to sit down and craft out something as a book cover, as a cover for the book. So, alright, guys, like I said, I have 6 points. I just dropped two of out of 6 points. I just dropped two for you. So, I'll be dropping the remaining four later in another session. You know what you have to do? You have to follow this page, you have to subscribe to this channel, and also on the notification button so that you get the update as soon as I drop them, so that you get the next episode as soon as I drop them. Alright, guys, gotcha. Good. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah, 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 yeah.
Can you begin to bless the name of Jesus in this place?